Hi, welcome to 10question.com. This is a quick guide for all those men and women who want to share their knowledge with all other people. So 10question.com is truly a knowledge seekers den. So here it is how you can register yourself and then publish questions on 10question.com. Please note that every set which will be published on 10question.com will have you as an author, and so all biodata with photograph will be published underneath your question set. So here it is. First thing you have to do is to visit 10question.com. When you reach 10question.com, you will find there is a login widget, and here there is a registration link called register. So click this button. This is the registration screen which has come, and here very simple things are simple fields are there for username, email, first name, last name. You have to put password, and there is a strength indicator also. Put biographical information here, and this is the captcha because lot of spamming happens, so this captcha is also given. Once you register yourself, you can click this registration button, register, then you will be registered. Once you register yourself, you again visit 10question.com to log in to the account. I will be logging with my already registered user ID and password. Once you log in, the first screen which comes says quiz start screen. There are a lot of fields here, but the only one field which is important right now here is this field, where you will have to put the name of the quiz set. For example, suppose you are trying to make a question on uh, Indian history, then you will write Indian history, and after that you put your user ID, because user ID will help to understand that this question set on Indian history has been prepared by this user, because it may happen that many other users may also prepare on the same subject, Indian history. So it is better you put your user ID alongside the subject of the quiz set. So I will be putting my user ID, and then you save it. The save button is just below that, so click save. Once the quiz set has been prepared, which is named Indian history, you will have to fill it up with questions. So here this is the screen for question set. Right now you find it is blank, so you will click this create new question. The screen which follows is having the one field for putting the question, and there are 5 fields for giving answers. You use these 4 fields for objective questions. For true false, you can use just 2 fields. So let us say I am putting it's a simple question, just for the purpose of showing you how to prepare the question. And here I'll after you give the options, you will have to select the correct answer. and once you select the answer, it is advisable that you also give something more than just an answer, or any explanation you want to give, you can give here in explanation. And click save. See, the first question, the serial number 1 is given, is already prepared by you, and the 4 answers, objective type having the 4 options. Number 1 correct answer, and the point value that is not to be seen. So likewise you can create 10 questions, but I will suggest that you prepare 12 to 15 questions, so that our editors will choose the best of those 15 questions and publish 10 questions out of those. So when you want to create next question, you again click create new question. The same screen for preparing the question will come. See, this is again a screen, so you will repeat with next question. After you have created, you are supposed to add 3 lines, minimum 3 lines regarding the questions set which you have prepared. For example, when I have created for Indian history, then I will be writing something on Indian history. This is important and required. So you click the add new button, and then one screen will come. You will write once you write 3 or 4 lines, you can write more also, you can write 2 paragraph also, but at least 3 lines you should write, which must be very relevant to the question set which you have prepared. You should click this submit for review. Once you do that, your question set along with the posting has been prepared, and our editors will go through your posting, and if it is found fit for publication, or in any change, we will be making changes. We may be putting some question set for in your also. If you find that, let us say you have put 12 question, but we do not think that more than 8 is fit to be published, so we will be putting certain questions, and the credit will be given to you also, and one email will be sent to you regarding the publication. Your the question set will show you as an author. So it is a humble request from the 10question.com that for giving the readers the best, you should only put the best question which you think. should be put in the question set. Thank you very much.